Good morning, guys. I am headed to go get donuts and then I'm going to class. I'm going before, so I might be late. But I'm really hungry and I need to take my medicine. So, see what's going on. Hi, guys. So I'm out of class. I am watching. Well, the Kardashians is on, but I am watching YouTube videos and just editing my vlog from last week. It was supposed to be up yesterday. But I was just, homecoming wore me out, okay? Like, honestly, no. Like, I was so exhausted, hungover yesterday, I couldn't even, like, I should have edited, but on Saturday night, that's usually what I do, or, like, try to edit it throughout the week. But when I tell you, it was so much going on, I literally couldn't, so. By the time this one is up, you should have had seen my last vlog, and that's homecoming, so. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing and then go to practice and talk to you guys after that. So, yeah. And I got my cotton candy. Yes. Hey guys, I know it's dark, but I am headed to this bake sale party. Because we have a bake sale tomorrow for AAC, and so I'm baking cupcakes. Yeah, we had a meeting, so today I really just had class, practice, AAC meeting. It's actually a lot. I just said that like that wasn't anything. Wow. Wow, okay. But yeah, I had a lot of stuff to do today, and I have homework to do, so I'm going to finish my homework here. And I really would love to go home and shower, but I guess I have to shower after this, so. Yeah, I will show you guys the cupcakes. So, see you in a bit. Okay, so my room looks a hot mess because it's still going through homecoming. My body's over homecoming, but my room isn't yet. I'm still cleaning it, so don't judge me. Hold on, Shanera. I'm actually on FaceTime with my best friend. Hold on. Hi, Shanera. Say hi to my FaceTime. Shanera.
Yes.
Say hi.
I said hi. I'm like half naked.
Okay, but I just have on a pink polo hat and this pink sweater that I got from Zoomies, I think. Some Nike leggings and some colorful Vans. But I'm about to go to class, so I'll see you guys. Hey y'all. So I'm out of class. That was my only class for the day. And now I am headed to the student union to go to our bake sale and to go to financial aid because I live in the damn financial aid office. No, I really don't, but I have to go there a lot and it's really annoying, honestly. Truly, I'm sick of it. What am I doing today? Oh! SAB is having Escape the Room, like a haunted house thing on campus. So I'm going to do that tonight at 7. And then I also have to do, there's like a carnival, a pumpkin carving contest. It is a lot going on. And I love Halloween. And since I'm not going out this weekend, I will be going to all the on-campus Halloween festivities. And, what else is going on? Oh, and the first 100 people get a Dark Woods pass for free. And I definitely need that because, honey child, when I tell you I'm not trying to come out of pocket for that dang haunted woods. I love haunted houses, but I haven't gone to a haunted house since I was in high school because I'm a broke bitch and being in college is too dang expensive for me. Yeah, about to go support my my people. So y'all wanna come with me? That's what we gonna do. I'm bringing the vlog with me. Hold on. Gotta get my backpack. Hey, other Gabe. Can I see your son?
Yes, ma'am.
So I got my cheesecake bite. Now I'm about to go home and eat some chicken. My car is all black, so it's literally hot all the time. It's so annoying. Ava Drake. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
We gotta hurry.
Okay. So we're going to get tickets. Remember I mentioned the free tickets earlier? She can't drive, so my camera be sliding. It's because of her.
I can drive when I want to.
So we are going to get tickets right now.
I'm not gonna go that fucking early.
Bitch,
Girl.
I promise you she is going so
Wait,
fast.
my-
Like she don't got a donut on this damn car.
I do, don't I? Oop. I forgot.
She almost hit a Jeep. Like that car wasn't bigger than hers.
It wasn't. We the same
Go this
size.
way.
Huh?
I promise you I'm on the window. I promise you I am.
Sorry, don't be. Is your seatbelt on?
Hell no.
You just wanna die, don't you?
Yeah! I'm really gonna die today.
Stop.
What the heck?
Why they on their brakes?
It's 5:40. Move! It's 5:47.
Dang, come on.
We are literally trying to get free tickets. Lord, why are you stopping? Nobody's on campus.
And this a yield and go.
Are you gonna be ignorant and go around them?
I wanted to, but I was just like,
I feel like you should. I'm not gonna encourage you.
I could.
Is Bree about that life?
I could whenever we got down here.
She did it.
Holy
Please don't let us get pulled over on campus today. last day. Like, I know I failed that test. One, financial aid is pissing me the fuck off. I hate college. I really do. All I want is clear skin, a fat ass, and a flat stomach. And good grades. That's all I want. An etiquette dinner. We got dressed in I literally got dressed in 20 minutes. Because I had to shape my legs because it was as long as my hair.
Oh Lord, you childish.
I did. So, yeah, I hope I can show y'all. If I can't, I'll just tell you how it goes. I might snap it, so I just put snap it. So, yeah, see you guys there. Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking with Jasmine. No, but I'm making chicken wrap bacon. I already put it in the brown sugar, but I'm gonna make more, so I will show y'all how to do it in a second. But so what I did was I seasoned it. I put it in the brown sugar. Now I'm about to cut my slices of pecan and then wrap it on the chicken and then put it in the oven. And then we're gonna have it with corn and green beans.
You can get this thing open.
Yeah.
This is how you open bacon. Cut away from yourself.
And I just like to rip my pieces. I'm not all fancy with it. And chop it up because bacon is just bacon. And then I also drizzle brown sugar on top of the pieces. So, get your chicken and you wrap it. This is a big old piece of bacon. And then I'll drizzle brown sugar on it after.
You're doing a lot of moving around.
I know.
This ain't Pokemon. We can't catch it all.
With my girls. It's a haunted house thingy. Lit. Don't practice tomorrow. So Jim Bean going so serious tonight. And then I'll see y'all at Darkwoods. So focus. Why are you not focused? Okay, it won't focus, but we are headed to Darkwoods. Are y'all scared?
Yes.
I can't even see you because it's so damn dark.
Hi.
Okay.
I almost told her, what the
I was about to say, bitch, if you don't shut up.
Yeah, I want someone to take our picture.
What's up, yelling, Erica? Erica, stop yelling, please.
Oops, sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Oh my God.